Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about Globalink Research Internship Program in Canada. This is fully funded internship program. We will discuss in details what are financial coverage they are offering and what is eligibility criteria, deadlines, and which departments are offering this internship program. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can easily receive all important upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see I have opened Mitacs Global Research Internship. The call for a student application for 2023 is now open. The application deadline is Thursday, September 22nd, 2022 at 1 p.m. Mitacs Globalink Research Internship is a competitive initiative for international undergraduates from the following countries. There they have mentioned the countries. Students from these countries can apply for this internship program. You can easily see here Australia, Brazil, Chile, China, Colombia, France, Germany. I have mentioned all these. Mitacs Global Research Internships are currently available at over 70 universities across Canada. Overview of Globalink Graduate Fellowship Program. Important dates are mentioned here. Between April to June 2022 faculty applications, then July to August 2022 faculty application waiting, and then for international students you can apply between August to September 22nd. International students submit applications and select research projects from the online database. In October 2022 student application, Mitacs conducts an eligibility review of student application. After applying, after deadline 22nd September, they will review your eligibility criteria, then they will proceed your application. From November 2022 to 23 January, Mitacs provides professors with a short list of student candidates for their project. Professors are then asked to review student applications, conduct their interviews, and then rank the applicants in order of suitability. Mitacs collects students and professors' rankings, then finalizes offers to students. Final results are announced in February 2023. Financial coverages: they offer round-trip airfare to Canada from home country. Transportation: they pay stipend for this. Health insurance. And one important thing is, Mitacs does not require any applicants to submit language proficiency. It means you can apply without any IELTS GRE scores. There is no any specific requirement for English proficiency. In eligibility criteria, a student must be at least 18 years of age. All departments, science, engineering, mathematics, humanities, and all departments related to social sciences, students from these departments can easily apply for this program. In the deadline, I already told you, 22nd September of this year 2022. So we have time to apply. You can easily apply. Then if you have any question, you can ask here at this email helpdesk@mitacs.ca. Apply, you can click here. Here the portal will be open. Here you can see all details are written here. First you have to register yourself, your first name according to your passport and your last name, your email address and password. Then you have to submit and you will receive an activation email into your email, and you have to apply online. So this is all about this internship, fully funded internship program. If you have any further question, you can ask in comment box, or you can directly contact me on Telegram group. You will be answered there. So this is all about today. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.